Someone asked for the basketball problem to be done, so here it is. This is what I've been given over here. Of course, your numbers are different, but the concepts are all the same. And the first thing we have to do is how long does it take the ball to reach its max height? We like max height because max height, v final on the y equals 0. So I'm going to use, let's see, v final equals v naught plus at, making that specific to our problem. At max height, v final is 0, so I end up bringing this over. I'll get negative, and I've got to use my sine component because I'm totally doing this in the vertical right here. Minus 9.8 t equals minus 9.8 t. So the time to get to max height is going to be whatever yours is, v naught sine theta over 9.8. Don't forget to use 9.8 for this. The next one says, how long does it take the ball to reach the hoop? Okay, well, we got the time it takes, let's call this T1, to get to max height. So if we just figure out the time it took to get from max height down to there, we would have it. So let's figure out what this max height off the ground is, because then we can subtract this from it, and we'll know how far it fell. So let's see here. Once again, we know that our v final in the y is 0. We want to bring a d into it, so we could probably use v final squared equals v naught squared plus 2ad. V final 0. I'm going to move this over. You're going to get a negative v naught sine theta, square that whole thing, equals negative 2gd. So that means the height it's going to go is going to be v naught sine theta squared all over 2 times 9.8. Okay, now that's going to tell me the height it took, let me make sure I'm in the picture, to go from here up to there. Don't forget to add in this to it because we need this total. And mine came out to be something along the lines of 7.95, whatever it was, doesn't matter. It came out to be some number like that. So then I would subtract this height from it, because that will tell me the height it fell through. Once you're at that point in time, I think all you really got to do is, let's see, you're going to be falling from rest through whatever this number, make sure I'm on the camera, this number minus that number is. So you probably just need d equals 1/2 at squared. Yeah, so once you plug in then that height it fell through, gravity 9.8, you could find out the total time it took it to fall. Add that to what you got from the first question, and you've got the total flight time. Then once you get the total flight time, the horizontal distance it takes to go is just going to be, I'm going to use v equals d over t. Make sure you make this specific to our x dimension, so you're going to have v cos theta equals L, your length, all over whatever time you figured out in the previous question.